In this video, I'll show you how to repost on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification. Lots of educational content like this. Now, let's say you came across a post on LinkedIn, right? And you want to just repost the post because the post is really amazing. Like you can see this post right here. So I just feel like, let me see, like I want to just repost this, right? Because what she wrote is interesting. So what you're gonna do right now is gonna be a step-by-step tutorial. What we're gonna do, we're gonna click on this, right? You can repost it on your feed, right? I'm gonna click on this repost. Once I've done, I'm gonna click on this view repost, right? So wait for it to load up. So this is how you can repost on LinkedIn, right? This is basically a step-by-step tutorial. So if I head over to my LinkedIn profile, you're gonna see what I just reposted from Joy's profile, right? How to repost it. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you guys in the very next one.